Hi, in this video I will show you how to remove a repost on Snapchat. So for example, first I'm currently on Snapchat. Let's head over right here to our play icon, which is our spotlight. So when you click onto this icon right here, this is actually the repost option, and you can see in here that we have in here this you reposted. So what you can do if you want to actually remove it is to just head over and click on this you reposted or click on this repost icon, and this will actually essentially remove the repost that you have made. So what will happen if you reposted something and you already lost track of it? What you can do is you can head over right here to your actual icon and you can see this. So from in there, scroll down, and in here you can see in here your countdowns and the likes. Click onto this icon right here, and then from in there, you can find in here this notification as well as settings that you have. So for this case, you just need to look for the activity indicator right here. You can input your activity indicator, and you can also find in here some options. You can also head over to your public profile. You can head over right here and you can find your insights and likes. So that's how you remove a repost on Snapchat. Hope we help.